Hi, friends. Are you ready for a spooky story with a surprise ending?
Then keep watching if you dare.
Once there lived two children.
Children, I love children.
Lady, you are scaring us.
Good, that's what I like to do. Scaring is caring.
No, what are you even talking about? Why are you here?
I'm making a special stew, and I was wondering, do you have any bat wings that I could borrow?
Bat wings? No, I don't have any of those.
How about a nice crunchy cockroach?
No, no cockroaches either.
Looks like I need to make a little shopping trip then. I'll see you dearies later.
I sure hope we don't see her later. Let's get back to our spooky story. Once there lived two children, a girl named Samantha and her brother Sam. You should have seen your face. When you saw that spider, you were like,
ah, get it away, get it away.
Don't make fun of me. I can't help it. I'm scared of spiders. How can you be scared of spiders? There's nothing scary about them.
I think they're scary. If spiders don't scare you, then what are you scared of?
Me? I'm not scared of anything.
Whatever. That's not true.
Seriously, nothing scares me.
Well, how about snakes?
Nope.
Then how about the dark?
Nope.
Ghosts?
No way.
Creepy clowns?
Not scary.
This went on for quite a while. Samantha listed everything that she could think of that could even be a little bit scary, and Sam kept telling her that he wasn't afraid. Then Samantha came up with the scariest, creepiest, most terrifying thing she could think of.
How about that old abandoned house at the end of our street, the one that everyone says is haunted by a coughing skeleton?
Huh, that's just nonsense. There is no coughing skeleton. That house doesn't scare me.
Really? Then I dare you to spend the night in that house all by yourself.
No problem. I can easily do that.
Okay, then do it tonight. Stay the entire night in that house with the coughing skeleton, unless you're actually too scared.
Okay, I'll do it. Tonight I'll stay in that house and prove to you and everyone I'm not scared of anything.
It had long been a legend in the neighborhood that old house had a ghost that people had claimed to have seen, a ghost that looked like a skeleton who would walk the halls of the house, coughing with every step. At night, many of the neighbors claimed they could hear him with his wheezy cough. Sam knew the stories about the coughing skeleton, but he was determined to prove to his sister that he wasn't afraid. So, that very night, Sam and Samantha walked to the door of the old house. Sam said goodbye to his sister and went inside.
This house isn't that scary. It's just old, run down, dark, and gloomy. But I'm not scared. I'll just find a good place to lie down for the night and go to sleep. And tomorrow morning, I'll show Samantha that I'm not afraid of anything.
Sam found a bedroom in the upstairs of the house with a rather creepy-looking bed.
I guess I can just sleep on that. I'm sure it will be fine.
And as Sam drifted off to sleep, he tried his best to be brave.
Nothing to fear here. It's just an old house. I'll go to sleep and everything will be fine. I hope.
As Sam began to sleep, he awoke to hear a faint noise downstairs.
What was that? Hello? Is someone down there?
As Sam strained his ears, he heard, "I'm the coughing skeleton. I'm in the front hall."
What was that? Well, I'm sure it was just the wind. Yeah, that's right. It was just the wind.
But then Sam heard the voice again. This time it was a little bit louder. "I'm the coughing skeleton. Now I am at the bottom of the stairs."
My imagination is just playing tricks on me. I'm just hearing things. Everything is fine. Nothing to be scared of.
Then Sam heard the voice, this time even louder. "I'm the coughing skeleton. Now I'm at the top of the stairs."
Samantha? Is that you out there? Are you just trying to mess with me? Samantha?
But the voice continued to cry out, still louder. "I'm the coughing skeleton. Now I'm in the upstairs hall."
Samantha, this isn't funny. You can stop this.
But the voice kept getting louder, getting closer. "I'm the coughing skeleton. Now I'm at the bedroom door."
Don't open that door. Don't come in here.
Then that very moment, the bedroom door swung open and in walked the skeleton. "I'm the coughing skeleton, and now I'm in the bedroom."
What do you want from me?
"I'm the coughing skeleton, and I want to know, do you have a cough drop?" Sam leapt out of the bed, sprinted past the skeleton, and ran out of the house. He did not stop running until he returned home to his house, where he found his sister waiting for him.
I knew it. You were scared. Yes, I was scared. I was so scared. Where's Mommy? Oh!
After that, Sam never made fun of Samantha for being scared of spiders or anything else. and for the rest of his life, Sam made sure to never go near that old house again.
It's too scary.
But all I wanted was a cough drop.
I hope you enjoyed our spooky story. If you want us to share more spooky stories, be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.
Or will you?